video diary.
Like, how much were those beats?
Hello. Yeah. Say YouTube.
This whole time.
Say YouTube. Oh, we got. I'm just like, whoa.
And then,
I need one.
Hey, you guys are in camera. Wait, it's backwards. Christabel, what are you doing?
going through my pictures.
Nice.
Get away from me.
It goes slowly. Look, you see it go slowly.
You what, your camera?
No, my camera. We're about to go.
Have you seen those videos?
Yeah. Oh my God.
That's Saturday, right?
Oh my god.
We're there. We're there.
Wait, I'm gonna do that, okay? Record it.
We're so dumb. We're stupid. Jessica, are you excited?
Just the best.
Hell yeah, I am. Are you?
I'm not the best. Only got the best. Look.
It sucks. It sucks.
We're just getting gas, you know,
Four guys in this whole
at the gasoline station.
Some gas in the trunk.
There's Mr. Kidman. Hey,
During that time was
where's he going?
just hanging out.
It's just too much zoomed in. Brianna, talk to the camera.
Still going out my hole.
Just
It's recording.
we're recording.
My brother.
I'm gonna be recording this whole entire time up until tomorrow. Watch. You guys are gonna get used to it.
Why, Jose? Why?
That's why she
Oh, you're right. Genesis, hurry up! Look at the camera.
No, it's Pinky and this.
Genesis.
If he does, you know,
Yeah, I'm a coordinator on.
if he does.